Pharma major GSK will not auction its 60-acre Thane land parcel. Instead, the company is looking at jointly developing the land with a developer. Magic Bricks now learns that the marquee developers like the Lodha Group, K. Raheja Corp, Oberoi Realty and Piramal Realty are in the running to clinch this big deal. Disha Shah, who has been tracking this deal very closely, gets us this exclusive report. Take a look.
Mega deal is underway as the pharma company GSK is now looking to close a joint development or JD for its 60-acre land parcel in Thane. Remember, the company was first supposed to auction this land first, but now we learn exclusively here at Magic Bricks now that the company is now looking at joint development, and there are top developers already like the Lodha Group, Piramal Realty, Oberoi Realty, K. Raheja Corp, and even few Thane-based developers who are eyeing for that land. Now, the reason behind the GSK opting out or backing out of the auction is because of the Urban Ceiling Act, where the company has to pay 1/3 of its sale proceeds to the state as a charge to sell that land to any developer. So hence the company has now decided to take that JD route, and in fact that route will also dent valuation a bit. In fact, market watchers also tell Magic Bricks now that this will get lower bids from players, and GSK could hope to earn close to 1400 crore rupees from the land. However, with this deal, GSK will also have additional advantage of regular income over and above this from revenue sharing arrangements. And lastly, industry sources also tell us that this deal could be signed as early as by October this year. In fact, Magic Bricks now also did get in touch with GSK and the companies that I mentioned, but as we speak, none of them responded to our email queries. This is Disha Shah from Magic Bricks Now.
Be on our website mpnow.in. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.